Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple Flappy Bird game in Scratch. So first of all, we don't need this cat, so choose sprite. You can make your own, however just choose a sprite. So cat, I'll be choosing the cat flying. This is a little too big, so we'll change the size to 60. Okay. So events when green flag clicked forever, if else, since operators, we take a or, so we do mouse down or key space pressed, then change y by 10, and then we do change y by uh, -5, and then looks, switch costume to cat flying B, switch costume to cat flying A. Let's test it. Nice, it works. Okay, now we want it to start somewhere, so we can do go to -140, and then y 0. So there. Okay, now here I have made a this sprite. Let me take out the code. So here, this is the pipe we'll be using. Okay, so you can pause the video and create this. So what we'll do is, um, when green flag clicked, forever, if statement, touching cat flying, then stop all. Okay, and then we can also do uh, events when green flag clicked, forever. We wanted to start like somewhere here, so I guess we can go to x 225, then y -51. Okay, that's good. And then glide 2 seconds, glide 2 seconds to x -250, and then y negative 51. This can be the y position actually. Okay, there. So let's test it. Okay, nice. Alright, now we want a backdrop. So let's I'm going to be I'll paint. So backdrop 1. So in backdrop 2, we'll write game over. Game over. I like it the font in pixel. Okay. So now let's find it somewhere in the middle. So yeah, that should be good. Okay. So and I'll change the wording to red. So something like this. Alright. Okay. Now that we have this game over, we can so we'll go to the code. After the code, we'll do show. So so let's do this. Control events when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, looks hide, and then here we'll go show, and then we switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Okay, now we will do for the pipe, switch backdrop to backdrop 2, and then it will hide. It will first show, then hide. So, backdrop 2 looks hide. Okay, it will hide. Now we want a score. Wait, let's try it. Okay, so we got, okay, there. Now it is working. Okay, I'm gonna now make a score. So we go to when green flag clicked, control forever, if, and then we make a variable called score. Okay, so set score, we can delete this. Okay, set score to 0. Operators a less than, so this will be x position, and this will be negative 160, because it will, over here it will be 140. Okay, then change score by 1. We could go to sound, start sound, let's go to sounds, choose a sound. I like the coin. Okay, code start sound coin, and then wait 1 second. Okay, so let's try it. There we have the sound, and game over. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe. See you next time.